Hey, welcome to my channel. I am super excited for my Stitch Fix. And as soon as I got all set up, my neighbor started working next door. I don't know, there should be like some neighbor law or something, but I'm gonna give it a go because I want to open my Stitch Fix and I want to be outside. So there you go. I've never filmed outside before, so we'll see how this goes. I may be doing a recap inside if it doesn't work out for y'all, but I'm going to try. So I'm always surprised. I don't peek. I don't know what I'm getting. I am going on a vacation to the Northeast, Boston and Maine. So I mentioned that. Got my little note. Just make sure it's from Susie. Yes. So that's all that matters. I've had the same stylist the entire time I've had Stitch Fix. Here's my bundle. Oh, and I got jewelry. So I'm super excited. Super excited! Stitch Fix. It feels heavy. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this. It's like a cable rope necklace. Can y'all see? Oh, this feels really, really good. I love this. This is totally me. Thank you, Susie. Ooh, love it. Okay, my bundle. Ooh. So, first off, this is cut from the cloth, green, linen, little shorts. Super cute, super vacation friendly. If those fit, those look like winners. Oh, here's this beautiful soft dress. This is Laila Jayde. Super soft. I love the high-low. Love the stripes. Looks like it'd be really flattering. I'll have to do the try-on inside, huh? My neighbors might get a little freaked out if I start changing on the back deck. Ooh, this one feels like a nice work shirt too. The Fortune and Ivy cold shoulder tie front. So beautiful red. Got a little cold shoulder, got a little flutter sleeve. Really pretty tie front. These might look good with my new black pants. And this is LUQ. Not sure. Raffia button down top. So short sleeve, white, button up top. Feels comfortable. Look forward to trying all this on. So stay tuned for the try on. Okay, here's the first outfit. I will put all the descriptions and prices in the description box. I know white doesn't show up very good on camera normally and it's blowing out a little, but this is super cute, super soft. It looks like it may wrinkle a little, but there's also quite a bit of linen in these pants, so they may wrinkle. But I'm not opposed to ironing or steaming something out, and I think it's a good length. Love the color. I gave these a thumbs up on the style game, and I really like the necklace. It feels really nice. Really like that. Okay, the Laila Jayde dress, striped gray. You've seen this around a bit. Let me see if I can get it angled more down. So you can see the length. Got a little high-low. It's pretty loose. I usually like it a little more fitted, but it's super comfortable, super casual. Probably would be great on vacation just to wear around with some Converse or something, just out sightseeing. It's a really nice, easy, casual dress. Okay, so coming out of the box, this was maybe the one I was least excited about, but I might like it the most even. I think it's a really great color. I put the necklace back on with it because I think that shows up well. I love the sleeves. It's like got the ruffle all the way around, and I just think that's really cute. I like the tie in front, although I'm not usually a fan of a lot of tie, and I think it's a very comfortable, it's not overly baggy, but it's a little flowy and comfortable, and I really love the color, and I think I like the shape on me. Okay, so that was a super great box. Thank you again, Susie. That was just awesome, awesome styling. I loved everything, and the prices I will put down, but just quickly, the cold shoulder red was $36, so that's a great price for that. The Laila Jayde knit comfortable dress is $58. The linen shorts are $58. The white button down is $38, and the necklace is $34. So really good prices for Stitch Fix. With my 25% buy all discount, the total would be $168. So we're talking about $32-ish per piece. That is a really, really sweet deal and totally within my budget. So let me know if there's anything you think I should get a different size, but everything initially felt great, so I'm leaning towards 5 for 5. But let me know in the comments. I really enjoy hearing people's feedback, and if you put out a boxing, mention that so I can check out yours. Thanks so much. Y'all have a blessed day.